Hello, my name is Jeff, and this is a video on something that should be fairly simple, and that's putting up and down a folding stairs for your attic. Now, it is fairly simple if you have an 8-foot ceiling. I'm 5'7" and I have a 7-foot reach, and 8-foot ceiling is no problem. But now that I've moved and I have a 10-foot ceiling, I can't get these stairs up and down without a ladder, so I made something to help me out, and this may be useful to you if you have a 10-foot ceiling. So I have some ropes. I won't use this one to get it up, but this one is a pulley system. Let me show you how it works. So I just pull back like this and get it started, and then push up again. And then once it gets going far enough, I just pull it up and it's up. And if I try to do that, like up here, I'm just not tall enough to get that down. Now, to get it down, it's actually much easier. You just pull on it like this, and then you just hang on to this, and it comes down nice and slow and easy instead of awkward and dangerous. Here's another view of it as I pull it up. So I get it started. And to pull it down, I simply just let it come down like that. The location of these ropes, I put one rope right here. It's just a free rope right here, and I put it on the step that's right below this elbow joint right here. The other one that I have attached to some pulleys up there, I put on right above that step, and that's right above that elbow joint. If we go up in the attic, you can see this is a pulley that I placed right here. This is in a solid part of the frame. I located it just medially to this part of the stair so it could clear it, but I also didn't want it in the middle because I didn't want it to get in my way when I'm pulling things up and down out of the attic. This rope goes all the way over to another pulley on the other side, and then it comes down and hangs down at the bottom. I put some handles in there to make it easier, and it actually makes it easier because I'll grab these rope handles when I'm coming down as a kind of a way to steady myself as I come down the stairs. Well, I hope you enjoyed that video, and I hope it's helpful to you if you have a 10-foot ceiling where taking down attic stairs becomes awkward, and hopefully this will make it easier for you. Thank you for watching.